The Galaxy Z Fold7 redefines what a foldable phone can do. This isn't just a smartphone, it's a vision of the future. Sleeker, smarter, and more powerful than ever. Let's unfold every feature and see what makes this Samsung's most advanced Galaxy Fold yet. Samsung has gone all in on refinement. The Galaxy Z Fold7 features a re-engineered Armor FlexHinge, allowing it to close tighter and slimmer, now just 8.9mm when folded. It's built with Armor aluminum, Samsung's toughest frame, and protected with Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 and Gorilla Glass Victus 2. It also comes with an IP48 rating, offering improved water and dust resistance. The display experience is stunning. The cover screen has been expanded to a 6.5-inch AMOLED with a 21:9 aspect ratio, ideal for one-handed use and improved typing. Unfold it, and you're greeted with an 8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main screen. It's vibrant, responsive, and immersive, perfect for watching movies, editing photos, or multitasking across 3 windows. It's a tablet in your pocket, but slimmer and more portable than ever before. The device is equipped with a powerful triple rear camera setup, a massive 200-megapixel main sensor for sharp details even in low light, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for those stunning wide shots, and a 10-megapixel telephoto lens, giving you crisp zoomed-in photos. Moving to the front, the 10-megapixel selfie camera gives you clean, natural-looking selfies. When it comes to video, the Galaxy Z Fold7 is a beast, shooting in 8K UHD at 30 frames per second. You also get slow-motion recording up to 240 frames per second in Full HD, and even 120 frames per second in UHD. Inside the Fold7 is the latest Snapdragon mobile processor, designed for next-gen AI and graphics performance. You'll see 38% faster CPU for rapid app launches and responsiveness, 26% smoother GPU for gaming and rendering, and 41% quicker NPU for enhanced AI capabilities across tasks. Whether you're gaming with real-time ray tracing or juggling multiple apps, the Fold7 handles it all effortlessly. Let's know the colors. You will get 4 unique colors: the bold jet black, the refined silver shadow, the classy blue shadow, and the exclusive mint, only available through Samsung's official store. When it comes to storage, the Galaxy Z Fold7 is impressive. With up to 1 terabyte of storage and options starting from 256 GB and 512 GB, you'll never worry about running out of space. Combined with 12 GB or 16 GB of RAM, this Fold is built for creators, professionals, and power users alike. Battery life? Solid. Power through your day with a 4,400 mAh dual-cell battery. Thanks to Samsung's power-efficient MDNIE display technology, you get up to 24 hours of video playback. Whether you're streaming, editing, or gaming, the Fold7 is built to last. AI isn't just an add-on, it's built into the Fold7 experience. Use Gemini Live to point your camera at anything, a symbol, clothing tag, or restaurant, and get real-time answers. Use Generative Edit to move, erase, or enlarge objects just by circling them. Now Brief gives you smart summaries of your day. Inside the box, you'll find the Galaxy Z Fold7, a USB-C to USB-C cable, SIM eject tool, quick start guide, eco-conscious packaging, because innovation meets responsibility. From productivity to creativity, Galaxy Z Fold7 folds everything you need into one incredible device. Ready to fold into the future? If you like this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is Galaxy Z Fold7, where Ultra unfolds.